Hello and welcome to my science tutorials. In today's video, we want to look at the WAEC core mathematics past questions and answers, where we'll be looking at the SSSCE November 2001 question number 2b. Alright, so during the SSSCE November 2001 question number 2b, we have this problem. So the problem goes, without using mathematical tables or calculators, we have to evaluate leaving our answer in standard form, the fraction we have over here with the root sign. Right, so let's go ahead and look at the solution to this particular problem. So we write down our solution. So I'm going to copy my question. So I have the root of 0.0048 times 0.81 multiplied by 10 raised to the power negative 7, all on 0.027 times 0.04 times 10 raised to the power 6. So the first thing we do is to convert all of these into standard form. So that will be equal to, I'll move the dot over here so that I have just 48 over here. So I'll move the dot 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So I'll have 48 times 10 raised to the power negative 4 multiplied by, this is 0.81. I'm going to move the dot 1, 2 times, so it becomes 81 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 for moving the dot twice, and then times this 10 raised to the power minus 7 over here, all on the same thing I'm going to do here. Move the dot 1, 2, 3 times, so I have 27 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by, here will become 4 times 10 raised to the power, this is 1, 2, I moved it 2 times, so it becomes minus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 6. So this is equal to the root of, here becomes 48 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 multiplied by 81 times 10 raised to the power, here is minus 2, here is minus 7, they are multiplying, so we add them, it becomes minus 9, all on, this becomes 27 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 4 times 10 raised to the power, this is minus 2, this is positive 6. If we add the two of them, we are going to get 4 over here. So I'm going to repeat what I have over here. So I have the root of 48 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 multiplied by 81 times 10 raised to the power minus 9 on 27 times 10 raised to the power minus 3 multiplied by 4 times 10 raised to the power positive 4. Alright, so if we look through the equation that we have, we realize that some numbers can cancel each other. For instance, 27 will go into itself once, and it will go into 81 3 times. The same way, 4 will go into itself 1, and then it will go into 48 12 times. So from here, we have the root of 12 times 10 raised to the power negative 4 multiplied by 3 times 10 raised to the power negative 9 on 1 times 10 raised to the power negative 3 multiplied by 1 times 10 raised to the power positive 4. So this is equal to the root of 12 multiplied by 3 will give me 36 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. This multiplication in between these two numbers means we are going to add the powers. So minus 4 plus minus 9, so it becomes minus 4 minus 9, all on 1 multiplied by 1 will give me 1, so I have 1 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 3 plus 4, this 4 over here. So this is now equal to the root of 36 times 10 raised to the power minus 4 minus 9 will give me minus 13 on 1 times 10 raised to the power positive 1 at the top over here. So this is now equal to 36 divided by 1 is 36, so I have root 36 times 10 raised to the power minus 13. I send the 10 raised to the power positive 1 over here to the top. It becomes times 10 raised to the power negative 1. Now remember, this is divided, so if we move it to the top, it is divided by 10 raised to the power 1. So we need to reciprocate it so that the power will not carry negative sign, and this is now multiplication. So this is equal to the root of 36 times 10 raised to the power minus 13 minus 1, and this is equal to the root of 36 times 10 raised to the power minus 14. Now this is essentially equal to root 36 is 6 times root 10 raised to the power negative 14 is just like writing 10 to the power 14 all multiplied by half. That is the root of 10 raised to the power negative 14. So this is equal to 6 times 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 14 multiplied by half will give me negative 7. So here it becomes negative 7. So my answer for this problem is 6 times 10 raised to the power negative 7. Now, in case you are doing the exam and you have this problem, the first thing you need to do is to use your calculator, okay, to find your solution. So after punching everything here into the calculator, you had 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 7. You just write it at the top corner of your paper and then you do your calculation. Once you arrive at this answer, you know it's the same as what the calculator gave you before you started. There's no need you go through your work. It means your work is correct. But if this and this does not tally, so meaning after using the calculator you are getting a different answer from what you had, it means that your calculation is wrong, and so therefore you have to go through your calculation again to make sure you have everything right. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.